Oh my gosh, we got it. Holy moly, we got it, we got it, we got it. I am so excited.
Let's get a jackpot stat.
Well, hello there, it's Jackpot Stat. I am on Battle Princess Dragon Train, new at the Jack. We're gonna try 2 cents and put $200 in. We're gonna try $2 bets. Let's see what we can get. Okay, so we need 6 of those. Whoops, my chair's rolling. 6 of those. We need to drop the train with it. That's the plan. That is the plan. And we need 3 of those little tents. The volume is all the way up. So hopefully. Okay, first line hit. That's a nice ball. Okay, Princess is wild. Oh, come on, 3 more, 3 more. Oh, 2. $3 bet. Oh, that's nice. $11.40. All right. Switched up to $3 bet. Let's go. Come on now. Oh. Nice. So far, good line hits. I like it. So I was watching Ruby play this. Vegas Nat was playing this. It's pretty wild. Oh, come on, 3 more. Ooh, those are good numbers too. Come on, let's get a bonus, please. All right, 210. Nice. Okay, keep seeing. Ooh, those are really nice size fireballs here. Look at that train just going. Oh, almost. It just went by the other hut. Come on now. All right, well, nothing's happening on 2 cents. Let's go to 5. Try $1.25 on 5. Hopefully we can shake something up here. Let's go. Come on now. Come on, 2 more, 2 more. 2, 4, 6, let's go. Oh, that hut just went by, man. All right, 450. Nice line there. Wow, no bonuses yet, man. Alright, if you're new to my channel, I post videos every Monday, Wednesday, Friday at 3:30 Eastern Standard Time. Alright, I got 4. We need 6. Come on, 2 more huts. Come on, 3 more. Oh, come on, let's see this bonus, man. Last one, and then we're gonna go try a different denom. Let's try 10. All right, I'll try a couple 250s. See what kind of kickbacks we get on this denom. Really? Come on. Wow, it's really... Okay, so we've been almost $100 without a bonus. You know my rule is I usually go 50. Wow. Okay, I got $10 bonus. $10 kickback. Come on, couple more. Oh, almost. Oh, what a bummer, man. Come on. Ooh. $4. Looked better. I'm like, ooh. Oh. Come on, power train, dragon train. I almost said power train. Whoa. Oh my gosh, we got it. Holy moly, we got it, we got it, we got it. I am so excited. All right. All right, here we go. Let's go. Let's get it. Nice. Here we go. Okay, keep dropping them. Thank you. All right, let's go. Let's get a jackpot stat. Let's go. Last one. Let's drop it. All right, that was fabulous. All right, let's go. Last one. All right. Here he comes. This is the fun part. I love this one. All right, let's go. Drop it. Oh, that's a good number. Holy moly, let's go. Come on. Nice. All right. Fill it in, fill it in. Oh, let's go. Drop it. Nope. All right. Nice. Nice. Wow. Nice, 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 nice. Wow, we got the bonus. That's what I wanted to see. That's very good. Nice. I'm on 10 cents. 250. Yeah. Nice. That is good. I'm so happy. Really? 1,400? Wow. Nice. Wow, guys, look at that. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Woo! 329. Our bonus was 252, guys. Oh my gosh.
That's not bad.
Woo! All right, let's do a couple backups. Let's do it again. Woo! That was so good. All right, keep going. That was nice. I wanted that train feature and we got it. Okay, we'll go down to 300. Oh, two more.
Is that the top one and the bottom one?
Oh.
This one and this one?
Oh, yeah. You know what? You're right. I'm not on the 50 lines. Oh, 25 lines is $2.50. The 50 lines is $5 bet. If I was on the $5 bet, I probably would have got more.
Got more, yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, this is 25 lines.
Yeah, and that's 50. Oh my goodness. We're gonna drop this down to 2 cents. Yes. So 100 lines. Okay. All right, so that's right. You have to pay attention. Let me show you here. Got to pay attention to your 100 lines. You got 50 and you got 100. All right, guys, figured it out. But we are 301. All right, we're at 300 and I'm very happy with that. Thanks for watching Jackpot Stat. Please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.